So before cooking the mussel, it's important to make sure the sand is gone from the mussels. The technique why we use this is when the mussels is dropped into the water, it will open up to get more water in, to get the oxygen, so whatever the dirt collected, when it opens up, it will go out and then they take the fresh water in. So this is the best way to do it. Ideally, you can leave it overnight or at least leave it for 6 hours. So now we can clean it. So you need to make sure whatever is floating on the top, that is a dead mussels, we can throw it out. So that means there is nothing inside around to cook it or waste your time. So like these ones, see, it's floating, just throw it. Just mix it and then we just keep this on the side. And then we can change the water at least 3 or 4 times. So now to clean the mussels, pick everything one by one and ensure there is no, see like this ones, if you feel like the sandy part, the fibers ones, just pull it off, break it, then flip on the side. So you do check one by one. So start with the coconut oil. You can use a plain oil as well. So once it's melted, oil, it's hot. Start with Hing or Asafoetida, 1/4 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, allowed to crackle. So now, once it's crackled, start with ginger and garlic julienne together. Allowed to saute till light brown in color. Now add in chopped green chilies or very fine sliced green chilies. Then leeks, sliced leeks, saute for a minute. Now add in chopped onions. Now add in turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon. Saute. Now drop in the mussel. Just mix it. Salt we can add after because the mussels will have its natural saltness because it's from the sea. No need to add water, just cover it. So now let's open it. It's steamed, it's open. You don't have to overcook it, just enough. So nicely cooked, it just opened, don't overcook it. So now you just check the sauce, is it enough salt? Yeah, you can add touch more. Then throw in the coconut, the freshly grated coconut, some tomatoes. You can use colored baby plum tomatoes, green chilli, slit or sliced in the big, then curry leaf also. Now you mix it. So now just plate it up. Take the mussels in a deep bowl like this. Nice heap. Just put on the top like this. And now pour the sauce on the top. The sauce in the sense whatever liquid just came from the mussels. That's really flavorsome. So you can just suck it from the meat itself with awesome flavor. Okay, enjoy. So now it's ready to be served. Amazing mussels.